Professor Robbie Guato, we go Nnamdi University of Wechawa. Professor Robbie Guato, you're welcome, sir. Oh, there is a card. Ejiofor attained the rank of professor in 1985. He became a professor in 1985 and is a fellow of 6 professional bodies, author, co-author, editor of several books, scholarly books. And he's attained so many distinctions in public service. One thing I'm very certain I can say unequivocally without fear of contradiction is that my brother, Professor Pita Ejiofor, is a man of integrity.
Indiana University, USA, 1974. He joined the Department of Business Administration of Ahmadu Bello University as an assistant lecturer in September 1970. Became the head of department from 1974 to 1977 and left for the University of Nigeria in campus, UNEC, in 1977. He was the Dean, Faculty of Business Administration, UNEC from 1982 to 1983, the first alumnus to be Dean of that faculty. The Pioneer Professor and Dean, Faculty of Management Sciences, National Open University, Abuja, 1984, Pioneer Professor and Dean, Faculty of Management Sciences, Anambra State University of Technology, ASUTEC, now ISUT, Enugu. And Pioneer Professor and Dean, Faculty of Management Sciences, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka, from 1992 to 1994. Ejiofor attained the rank of professor in 1985, a fellow of 6 professional bodies, author, co-author, editor, or co-editor of 12 books and numerous articles. 3 books have been written on him, while 2 bachelor's degree projects in 2 different universities have been written on his Otusuwapi. Professor Ejiofor was a Commissioner for Finance and Economic Planning, later Commerce and Industries, and briefly Works, Lands and Transport in former Anambra State from 1986 to 1988, and elected member of Anocha and Njikoka local government areas of Anambra State in the National Constitutional Conference, Abuja, from 1994 to 1995, the coordinator of the Anambra delegation of the conference, and the pioneer commissioner for Anambra State in the Federal Character Commission, Abuja. This is the named Anambra Man of the Year 2002 by the Nigerian Union of Journalists, Anambra State, and Best Vice-Chancellor of the Year 2000 by the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS. He has been conferred chieftaincy titles by 10 communities in Imo and Anambra States, namely his own Anocha local government area, Itu Ezinihite in Imo State, Awka, Aguleri, Umuoji, Umueje, Uku, Unandu, Akweze, and his own hometown, Obeledu, in Anambra State. He is an Ichie and holds the highest other title of Eza and Okosisi no Obeledu. On Kitana and Japanese in one month. Professor Ejiofor and became the chairman of Awka Diocesan Catholic Laity Council from 1992 to 1995. Grand Patron of Awka Diocese Catholic Laity Council and Grand Patron of Onitsha Ecclesiastical Province Catholic Laity Council. A mayor of Awka Diocese Diocesan Catholic Main Organization, a Peritus in Onitsha Archdiocesan Synod in 2003, and member of the Planning Committee of the 2017 Awka Diocesan Synod. He is a Noble Knight of St. John International since 1981. In 2003, the Pope, now St. John Paul II, conferred on him the Papal Knighthood of St. Sylvester, KSS. He was the pioneer chairman of Awka Diocesan Joint Council of Catholic Knights and Ladies from 2004 to 2017. Professor Ejiofor is a Justice of Peace, JP, and a 2-time Jerusalem pilgrim In 2004, the federal government conferred on him the national honor of National Productivity Order of Merit, for his outstanding services as Vice-Chancellor of Nnamdi University, Awka, while the Anambra State government conferred on him the title of Icon of Education in 2016. He delivered the Odenibo lecture in Owerri in 2013 and keynote address in the World Igbo Congress, Austin, USA in 2014. You see, Professor Ejiofor is married to the beautiful lady beside him. Very amiable, loving Dr. Lady Vera Ejiofor, and blessed with children and grandchildren. I would have stopped here, but I crave the indulgence of the university orator to give me this time to reflect over Professor Ejiofor's indelible footprint in Nnamdi Azikiwe University as a Vice-Chancellor, because that was what merited him the award of Emeritus Professor, which he's holding right now. You see, as on your Kuarikata Okuti here. On Miridinogu, AJC Ogu. When you see, Professor Ejiofor, this year, 2017, is the 32nd year of Professor Ejiofor as a professor and now emeritus professor. The pioneer staff professor and dean, Faculty of Management Sciences, Anambra State University of Technology. I've said it before. Now, as a Vice-Chancellor, Ejiofor took over a UNISIC strike reading, declared non-residential, non-perimeter fence, no building left of the expressway, Garuba Square Road, without even one-story building in the Palm side. All faculties operating in temporary structures and classes holding in a multi-faculty shared warehouse. Graduating engineers without accreditation, a federal university bearing the name of Z, and yet no take-off grant. Ejiofor charged with fury. In Igbo, we say Ejiofor Webaka. And created the Faculty of Arts, Environmental Sciences, and Environmental Sciences, by the way, is my own faculty. Biko Makanka Ambe Tugo masterminded the current accreditation. First, since the existence of the faculty, even in former ASUTE, affiliated Pope John Paul Major Seminary to UNISIC, completed master plan of UNISIC and secured its approval by the NUC, constructed the medical library at Nnewi, constructed UNISIC demonstration primary school with donation from Dr. Steve Ihedibo, constructed the building housing the faculties of engineering, now Confucius Institute, and the building housing the Faculty of Agriculture, constructed the examination hall of Faculty of Management Sciences, which is known as Pagasi today, and which is presently housing offices for my own Faculty of Environmental Sciences. And in fact, let me reserve what I wanted to say. Professor Ejiofor started, constructed, completed, and moved into the administrative block of UNISIC, the first-storied building which our able Vice-Chancellor Mirioma Global has mentioned in UNISIC's East ASUTEC days. He built so many hostels. He started the construction of buildings of Faculty of Management Sciences, Engineering, Multi-Purpose Hall, and so many others. He perimeter fenced the entire university, thus securing it from trespassers. Constructed the main university gates, the front and the rear one, constructed the road later named Atueze Avenue. Main gate to admin block. It is important to mention that this main gate to admin block has been given a world-class outlook today by our own Mirioma Global, our able Vice-Chancellor. He attracted the first ever federal government take-off grant of 547 million naira to the university in the 2001 Appropriation Act. And when, after approval, someone in the National Assembly diverted it to another university, he fought like a wounded lion and recovered the money. He organized the first ever voluntary renunciation of courtesan by students in any tertiary institution in Nigeria. There are so many things that he did I wanted to say, but I must.
maka na oge onye mere nke ọma efu na omume ọma onye na-anaghị emete agụ ya ma anaghị emete ka onwe obi ntụgharị were chenjie. So ihe anyị na-eme wu ikwu ezi ndị mmadụ, ndị na-agụ agụ, ndị nke na-akụzi akụzi, ndị ọbụla na-arụ ọrụ si arụrụ ọma aka ọma dị mma. Onye eme ihe ọma ekele Chineke, kelekwie ọrịa ihe anyị ji esi ọka mmụta Pita Ejiofor ọ laala ezigbo ike nka na ọnụ bekee, mana anyị mere ihe ha na-akpọ emeritus, meaning that ọ ga-ịnọ na mahadum uwe ebi ntị ya adịghị na-akpọ ya. Anyị dee okwu ya sị ka ndị na-amaghị ya na ndị na-aga ịmatafie ka anyị mee ihe onye ọbụla ga-eji mara na enwere onye dị otu ahụ chịrị ọchịchị, enwere onye dị otu ahụ bidoro fakọlti na-akpọ management sayensị, maka na afọ ọbụla a ga-eme na-eme lekchọ gbasara Pita Ejiofor ka ndị mmadụ na-amata na ndị ndị bidoro ihe gbasara management. That is Igbo wuzie international language. Onye ọcha na-agị, onye Igbo na-agị, onye ebe ka anyị na-agị, onye ofesi na ịbịa ọrịa ihe. Anyị na-ekele gị atụmatụ nke eweta. Anyị na-ekele gị ndị ife tụrụ gị mmiri ọma ideji mmụta ọnụ ma mere ihe dike onye mee ihe dike ya na uche gị ọrịa ekele gị ime ka ọfụma. Onye chọrọ ihe ọma ga-eru ya aka.
Igbos, let us come together. Igbos, let us share together. Igbos, join your hands together.